Ready to explore the unexplored? Introducing Zoonigia, a startup revolutionizing science and technology. We're paving new paths in research, innovation, and exploration, from futuristic labs to astrotourism experiences. For investors, it's an opportunity to be part of the next big thing. For curious minds, it's your chance to explore beyond the ordinary. Join us at Zoonigia, where limitless possibilities meet real impact. Imagine a young dreamer, eyes full of wonder, captivated by the mysteries of the universe. But instead of exploring new frontiers, they're forced down a well-trodden path: medicine, engineering, careers that limit their curiosity. In places like Kashmir, boundless ambition is met with narrow choices. The spark of innovation is there, but the doors to space, technology, and groundbreaking science remain firmly shut. That's where Zoonigia comes in. Zoonigia is a revolutionary startup that does more than just talk about science. It lives it. Through hands-on experiences, international collaborations, and innovative programs, we empower individuals to explore careers they never thought possible. With Zoonigia, we're building observatories, labs, and even astrotourism experiences, giving people the chance to touch the stars. Literally. It's more than just a service, it's a movement. A movement that opens doors, fuels curiosity, and gives science the spark it needs. But what truly sets Zoonigia apart? While others may talk about innovation, we do innovation. Our labs and observatories offer immersive experiences unmatched by any traditional academic or corporate program. We've created a global network expanding beyond borders, offering access to international campaigns, NASA citizen science, and a future where science isn't just learned but lived. Zoonigia isn't just about building careers, it's about breaking barriers, sparking imagination, and creating a future driven by discovery. With our dynamic range of opportunities, astrotourism, quantum research, cutting-edge labs, and beyond, Zoonigia is the platform that makes dreams in science real. No other startup offers the breadth, depth, and excitement we do, so whether you're an aspiring scientist, a tech enthusiast, or an investor seeking the next big breakthrough, Zoonigia is your gateway to a future full of possibility.